She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. Rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. Keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Tem que me sacrificar, né, mano? Tem que fazer vídeo, mano. Não tem outra opção. Ou eu faço vídeo agora, ou eu faço vídeo bem depois, mano. Eu falei, mano, é melhor fazer vídeo agora, porque depois, cara, eu vou ficar com preguiça e não vou fazer vídeo.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listen to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promised, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded, get the party started. started. Yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of the whole crowd. We lose control now. Don't take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe. Whatever you wanna be.
Caiu. Tropa, eu achei que ele estava tudo lá em cima. Ah, mano, não teve como, mano. 3 contra 1, não teve como. Tipo, se fosse Santos Cria, essas coisas assim, estaria tudo bem, né, mano? Bater esse soco, não ia. Entendeu, mano? Aí da agora também tava batendo
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I've learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now, a life you don't doubt. I can give a fuck how. Just make it written out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Ao contrário, o cara que tinha capa. Meu Deus, cara, tô cansado, mano. Tô cansado de fazer vídeo essa hora. Meu Deus, cara. Mais ou menos o vídeo vai ficar um pouquinho longo, né, tropa? Só jogando aqui mesmo.
An option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
Quando eu tô tipo, jogo melhor, né, mano? Mas eu gosto de fechar não tá, mano. Também, né, mano? 5 horas da manhã, 5h39, cara. Fazendo vídeo aqui pra vocês, né? Tipo, acho que aquele vídeo lá passado já passou dos limites, né, mano? Mano, o vídeo tá muito
All night, we'd stay up,
falei, cara,
it felt so right. We were young, we were so dumb. We would get
Mano,
drunk
quando eu acordo
and
eu
hook
fico
up. We were okay,
Aí
we
tipo,
were
aí eu
alright.
acordo,
Staying
cheio de
up
preguiça,
late
não faço
till
nem
the
essa vídeo.
sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us.
Aí
Like
é
a
pra
good drug,
muito
never
pra
run. We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our hearts.
Nem
Stare
sei onde
at
ele
the
tá
stars,
agora,
we were
pessoal.
never
Responde.
apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
Meu Deus, mano, esse cara é muito idiota. Tá lagando, não, o meu não tá lagando, cara. Vocês têm que tá lagando.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
Passível, não matei nem
How
nada.
careless we could be.
Mano, tô cheio de sono aqui, tá ligado?
And how
Editar esse
careless
vídeo vai dar um trabalho do caraca.
and how careless we could be.
Mano, eu vou só colocar poucas coisas. Ó, matei 3, cara.
And how
Meu
careless
Deus.
we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights,
Mano, o vídeo vai
long
ficando
fights,
por
it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless. We were fearless. We were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Então, tropa, compartilha aí pros amigos aí. Então, tropa, estamos até nós, tchau.